Hello friends, how are you? If you want camera effect in WhatsApp and how to enable it. So in this video, we will show you how to enable WhatsApp camera effects. Let's just start. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now click on right side three dots. Click it. Then go to the settings. Now you can find privacy option. Click on it. Now scroll down and you can find allow camera effect. Just press it and enable. Now camera effect is enabled in your WhatsApp. Whenever you do video call, you just show your camera effects on your screen. If you stop this feature, you can also disable from here. Okay friends, if you like this video, please support us. Thank you so much. We will meet you next video. Thank you. Take care.